Yay, he's back again, y'all, at nighttime. Back again, y'all, and he almost stopped for no reason when he's about to arrive to us in our video. And I thought our driver was honking at us or something. I heard something really weird. I don't know if it's a honk or not, but it sounded funny, whatever that thing is. Damn, he's driving slow. I cannot believe it, my man. He always comes AM and PM every day, or sometimes like 7 a.m., 10 p.m., stuff like that. Or how did he came again more times? It's been a day he didn't came now. Okay, that's perfect. Now he came back today at nighttime. There he goes, guys. Thank you for not skipping the stop sign. Thank you for stopping at the stop sign. Thank you, Spider-Man self-serve ice cream truck. You're always so nice. But I'm very disappointed to our Super Mario Bros. Self-serve driver. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out, my friends. I hope you have a great day. And friendly reminders. Have a great Thanksgiving and happy Black Friday. Happy Black Friday. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. And also happy Friday as well, you guys.